Welcome dear viewers. Today I will discuss with you some classroom language for teachers. English training is going on. During the training, many times we found that participants are not able to speak fluently because they cannot find some English words they want to use. Today we are going to discuss here some classroom language. Let's start. Here is some instructional language for whole class work. WCW. When you can conduct a session with whole class, then you can say, everybody listen to me, or take your English book, or listen and say after me, or take your book or read after me. Write in your exercise book, present your work to the whole class. Language for checking instructions. When you give some instructions to the participant, then you have to check your instructions. How could you check it? You check it like that. Is it clear to you? Do you see what I mean? Who can say? Tell me what you are going to do. Are you ready? Raise your hand. Put your finger under the line. Here is some instructional language for group work, WCW. When you make some groups, then you can use this language. Each 5 make a group. Each bench make a group. Or each 2 benches sit face to face and make a group. Discuss in a group. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All 1 is sit together and make a group. All 2 is sit together and make a group, and so on. All is make on group. You join with group C. You 4 or 5 makes a group. Discuss among yourselves. Students of every branch make a group. Instructional language for pair work, PW. Make a pair with the person next to you. You two make a pair, or turn your face, or sit face to face, or talk to the person next to you, or ask your partner. Discuss it in pair. Change your role. You two sit together. Discuss it in pair. Make decision. Some monitoring language. Carry on. Try, write, say it again. Say or read loudly. Do it now. Keep going. Any help? Participate, act, share ideas with your pairs or groups. Help each other. Any problem? Check the spelling. Avoid overwriting. Rearrange it. Make it clear. Is it clear? Be aware of punctuation. Think more or think alone. Be nice to each other. Respect others' opinion. Some controlling language. Language for control your classroom. Sitting and activity. Listen to me. Do it like me or like this. You are going to. Are you ready? Now start. Do it now. Ask and answer. Listen and follow me. Copy it. First say, then write. Answer it or answer me. Some assessing language. Good, very good, nice, excellent, fine, well done, that's good, marvelous, incomplete, irrelevant, relevant, not clear, try again, not bad. That's right, spell it. What is the meaning of it? Read it, write it, draw a picture or say true false. Fill in the blanks. Language for sitting and activity. Listen to me. Do it like me. Or do it like this. You are going to start. Are you ready? Now start. Do it now. Ask and answer. Listen and do. Follow me. Copy it. First say, then write. Answer it. Answer me. No more today. Thanks for watching.